Imagine this, there's a spice so tiny it fits on the tip of your finger, yet powerful enough to get your blood flowing again in just a few minutes and bring new life back into your intimacy. And here's the best part, no expensive pills, no doctor's prescription, and no nasty side effects. I know, it might sound a bit far-fetched, but this natural spice has been used for centuries by warriors and everyday men before important moments. Then over time, modern science simply pushed it aside. But now, new research is confirming what ancient wisdom already knew. Inside this spice is a natural compound that opens up blood vessels, improves your sleep, and helps balance male hormones. Plenty of blokes over 60 who've started using this simple 60-second daily ritual are reporting real changes. Stronger erections. More energy throughout the day. Deeper, more refreshing sleep. And a renewed sense of confidence with their partner. And today, I'll walk you through exactly how it works, step by step. But before we get into it, hit that subscribe button and turn on the bell so you don't miss any of my future tips. And drop the word spice in the comments so I'll know this video has been helpful for you and I can keep making content just for you. Alright, let's start with the why. After 60, the blood vessels that carry circulation to the intimate area get stiff, like pipes slowly clogging up. And it's not your fault, it's age, stress, lifestyle. But the good news is, it can be turned around. Your body still remembers how to respond, it just needs the right signal. And that signal comes from cloves. Inside them is eugenol, a natural oil that relaxes the blood vessels and gets circulation moving within minutes. When you chew whole cloves, the eugenol enters the bloodstream directly through your mouth, without the long wait you get with pills. Here's how simple it is. Take 2 or 3 whole cloves. Place them between your teeth and give them a gentle squeeze to release the oil. Hold for a few seconds, then slowly chew for about a minute. That's it. The best time? At night before bed, it relaxes you, helps you sleep deeply, and naturally boosts testosterone. Or in the morning on an empty stomach, kickstarting the day with energy and better circulation. After just 7 days, you may notice more vitality. After 2 weeks, many men report firmer erections. And after 30 days, the whole body responds, more energy, more confidence, and sharper mental clarity. But that's not all. Cloves also contain beta-caryophyllene, which helps lower stress. And that's huge, because stress is the #1 enemy of testosterone. When cortisol goes up, testosterone drops. Cloves help break that cycle, bringing you calm and balance. And here's something most people overlook, your gums. If they are bleeding or inflamed, it can actually mess with your circulation. Bacteria slip into the blood and inflame the vessels. And guess what? Cloves have natural antibacterial properties. They help clean the mouth and boost circulation even more. So you see, we are talking about a complete ally: circulation, sleep, hormones, and even oral health. Make it a daily habit. Just 1 minute a day can completely change not only your intimate life but your overall health. If this video has been helpful, give it a thumbs up, subscribe, and type spice in the comments. And don't miss the next video. I'll reveal 3 common foods that, when combined with cloves, can triple the results. Chances are you already have them in your kitchen, but you'll be surprised how much they can boost your energy.